Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineers. In addition to that, 2 or 3 jobs is also available for electrical engineers too. We are going to see private MNC jobs for mechanical engineers. So those who start their career earlier can utilize this video. Early career professional, that is if you are fresher or 1 or 2 experience means this video will be very useful for you. Career is very important for every individual, so where you start matters a lot. Totally we are going to see 5 different types of jobs in this video. The first and foremost is Thermo Fisher from Hyderabad. So job location is Hyderabad. Mechanical CAD designer at Thermo Fisher Scientific from Hyderabad. So it's actually a American scientific instrumentation company mainly dealing with services to health care, life science and other laboratories in government as well as industry. This company Thermo Fisher was created in 2006 by merging Thermo Electron and Fisher Scientific. This company at 2018 were employing 70,000 workers all round, and almost the revenue which they will be earning is 24 billion US dollar. So for additional information, kindly visit their official website, which will be provided in the description. Experiences freshers can apply, and those who have 0 to 2 years experience can apply. Mainly your role is a mechanical CAD designer and will be responsible for 3D design and drawing. He or she should work on a full life cycle and do ME project working closely to global R&D functioning. And your responsibilities are you have to handle new part design and integration, and responsible to make 3D model, should assist product lead in day-to-day work with global R&D and execute the project, and promote and create standardization and reusable design libraries. Thermo Fisher Scientific, so this is a company which we are seeing now. And candidate requirement, so basically who can avail this job? So those who have bachelor degree in mechanical engineering and masters in thermal or fluid engineering are most welcome. Experience, as I said, if you have 0 to 2 years experience in 3D AutoCAD design and drawing detailing means then you are fit for this job. And you should have experience with product data management, refrigeration and thermal experience and hydraulics. You should have basic knowledges, and material selection and manufacturing fundamentals should be somewhat thorough. You should have an experience with chillers, circulars and flow control equipments. Role is a mechanical CAD designer, and functional area will be scientific instrumentation. It's a full-time job. Interested candidates can apply through online. I will be giving the link in the description. So other similar jobs will also be available in the description. Kindly make use of it. The second job is Lam Research Corporation. Project engineer level 1 at Lam Research Corporation, Bangalore. So job location is Bangalore. It's an American corporation company which enables design, manufacture, marketing and service of semiconductor processing. It's primarily produce waterproofing material which will be involving step by step with active components of semiconductor devices. The company also builds equipments for back-end, water level packaging, etc. For more information, log into official website. Who can apply for this job? Freshers or those who have 0 to 3 year experience can apply. Actually, your responsibilities will be like owning a project, taking initiative to develop and optimize the product and project, and collaborate with both internal and external cross-functional teams, and accountable for delivering on time with quality as part of key. So these are the things which they will be expecting from you. And minimum qualification is you should have have a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering with 0 to 3 year relevant experience in the particular field, and should have a knowledge or experience in design of mechanical components using machinery standards, drafting standards, etc. And you should have a basic knowledge on automations using tools like Creo, Phaeton, PHP, etc. Have experience in doing 3D modeling and assembling using Creo or UGNX and any other softwares. Basic preferred qualifications are if you have knowledge in project management tool and methodologies means you will be given preferences, and knowledge in engineering change management process is also most welcome. And role is a project engineer 1. Industry is R&D. It's a full-time job. Interested candidates can apply through online. I would be giving the link in the description. And next company is Siemens Energy from Thane. So production order supervisor at Siemens Energy Thane. It's a German multinational company. Actually, I think so. I have put a separate video for Siemens company. You can also have a view of it. It almost employ 67 share of Germans and have a collection of 3,79,000 minds building the future all over 200 countries. For further information, you can log in the official website. Freshers can apply 0 to 1 year experience. If you have means, you can apply for this job. And mainly your role will be manpower allocation as per planned manpower allocation chart, monitoring and controlling the productivity of workstation, ensuring whether the product and the workstation is very clean on each day of the work, and ensuring that work is being carried out as per safety norms. So these are the things which you should ensure before carrying over the job. And qualification and experiences, you should have a graduate or diploma in electrical and mechanical engineering. You should have a strong leadership and manpower handling skills and customer fulfilling the requirement. Excellent analytical and problem solving skills you should have. And role will be a production order supervisor. Functional area is power and energy. It's a full-time job. Interested candidates can apply through online. I would be providing the link in the description box. And mechanical engineers with 6 months experience holders can apply for this post. And next job is Dover Corporation, Bangalore. I also put a separate video for Dover company. You can also refer that. It's mainly your role would be a quality engineer at Dover Corporation. Job location is Bangalore, and it's an American manufacturing company producing various products. Actually divided to 5 different segments like engineered system, fluid and refrigeration, and food equipments, imaging and identification, pump and process, etc. It is founded in 1955 and employing more than 26,000 people worldwide. For further details, kindly visit the official website. Freshers can apply, and those who start their career with 0 or 1 year experience can also apply. And job posting date is 9th September. Other responsibilities, like you have to ensure the product quality through development of automated tests and manage test cases, execute all assigned tests according to the schedule, collect and analyze data and other findings. Kindly go have a glance of these things which they expect from you before applying the job. And role will be a quality engineer. It's an industrial product, and interested candidates can apply through online. I will be providing the link in the description box. Mechanical diploma holders can apply for this post. And last job is Eaton Corporation, Pune. Engineer data management at Eaton Corporation PLC, Pune. So it's an American Irish multinational company having a sales of almost 21.6 billion US dollar, employing almost 95,000 employees, and sells the product to customer over 175 countries. Their main aim is to provide a product and best service for their customers in an effective manner in all areas like electrical, hydraulic and mechanical power supply. And further information, kindly log in their official website, which will be provided in the description. Experience will be 1 or 2 years. 1 to 2 years experienced candidate can apply for this job. And responsibilities, like you have to plan and organize assimilation of information to the company, managing the engineer change note system with practice in the plant, supporting global supply chain team and providing them information, and etc. Just have a glance of all the details which they expect from you before applying this job. Qualification would be B or BTech in electrical or mechanical, and those who have 1 or 2 years experience with a proven and solid experience working in following system can apply for this job. They should have a strong verbal and written communication skills in English, and good interpersonal skills, high level of attention to detail, high ethical and able to work in cross-functional team, etc. And role will be engineer data management, and it's a full-time job, and interested candidates can apply for this job through online, and I would be giving the link in the description box. I hope so this video provided all information relevant to electrical and mechanical for you, and do subscribe our channel, then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. We will be providing the job opportunities availing or prevailing in and around India as well as abroad for mechanical engineers and electrical, electronics, civil engineers also will try to upload soon. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.